Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to means I'll show you real-time simulation of a PV system. Okay, I have this PV model, solar PV model. So I'll do real-time simulation of this model here, and I will show you. I will also show you how to draw graph, how to save data result from after this simulation, real-time simulation. I will show you the best way to draw or save the results. Okay, so let's start. I think you have watched my, if you watched my previous videos, then you know how to modeling your model in a simple model for running with the real-time simulator. So this is the first means view of the real-time RT lab. This is my 2020.4.1.166 version of RT lab, and I think you know already how to create projects. So here I will show you again. So click on the double click on this. You can give any name here, project name, just next, empty project, and finish. Okay, so right click on this untitled. You can add, you have to select add model and existing. Oh, okay, somehow it's that adding existing model is not coming, but it will come for you. Don't know for me why it is not coming. It will surely come for you. Okay, so let's delete it for now. So let's start here I have already added this PV model. So PV solar PV model with RT lab. So you can do edit here. This MATLAB will open. You have to do something to do in, and you have to change fixed step. You have to make it 10 -6. You need to make it fixed step. You fixed step solver, and you should have select any solver. You have to give uh, fixed step size also. Make sure it's at least 10e-6. If your model is not transfer function model, you must need minimum 10e-6, 10 microsecond. Okay, so I'll change initial function 10e-6 apply. Okay, so I know it will run, so I'll just save it for now. Let's close it. So now I need to add variable. I already added, but I will show you. For you guys also, you have to add variable and add RTLab Intel compiler, but it's depend on your purchase, means your institute or you, how you means which license you purchase it from the company. Okay, so for me it's like it's common RTLab Intel compiler. So okay, and now I have to build it. Just click on build. It is not taking so much time now. It's taking time. I think it will not take so much time now because I already built this model. But let's see, it's look like it's again taking so much time. It's like uh, what can I say, it's so much means time taking simulation. It takes time, too much time it takes. So let's wait how much time it is taking. See, building only 20%. So if you guys came here first time in this channel, please subscribe my channel, and if this video is helping you, and do like this channel also, subscribe also. And so many videos will come on RT lab and MATLAB also, means on MATLAB and on RT lab. So many videos will I'll upload on this video. So stay in touch. subscribe this channel, so every time I'll upload video you'll get notification. So click on that notification button also. And if you are facing any kind of problem with real-time simulation, means you are doing real-time simulation, and if you are facing any kind of problem, you can comment on comment box. I'll try to solve. Surely I'll try to solve, and within 24 hours I'll reply you. So 30% build, 50%. See how much time it's so much time taking simulation. I have already did simulation once, so because of that it's taking less time. So building is finished. Okay, now you have to assign. Okay, this will be normally, this will be like this off, so you just make need to sure that you need to turn it on. Okay, and go to overview. At first I am just showing you, you don't need to click on all the options. Okay, you can do, but you don't need. Now load, those options are not that much necessary thing. So look here, automatically generated came, it automatically came, it will come automatically generated by RTLab during compilation. Okay, so let's execute the model. Loading also finished, let's execute. Here it's coming, look, it's going on, running, my model is running. Okay, okay, let's go, don't do anything here, let's go to pause. Okay, just pause it, and what you can do, you can take result from here, but best way to take result, I at first video at starting I told you that how to take result. I'll show you. Okay, first list, reset it. It's too much lagging, look, I clicked on when, now it's yeah, look here, new file available, click here to open this file. I'll show you what it is. So my model is successfully run. Okay, and yeah, no overrun. If you face overrun problem, comment in the comment section, I'll try to solve it. I'll solve it for you. Total of 0 overrun detected. Okay, maybe you will face overrun. Okay, I'll show you how you face how you can face overrun. I'll show you here. Let's edit it. Yeah, let's just edit it here. If it's like, if you make it less than 10 e minus 6, means less than 10 microsecond, let's make it 2 e minus 6, apply. I'm just showing it how can you face the problem. You need to, if you face overrun problem, just comment in comment section 2 e minus 6. Just save it. You need to be sure that it's at least 10 microsecond, but I am making 2 e minus 6 because of I just want to show you that here total of 0 overrun detected, but I want to show you that when overrun can come. Okay, let's build the model again. It will take so much time again. It's just too much time taking. 20%. And I'll show you one more thing. Okay, there's the model built in background. I will show you one more thing, that how, means best way to save your real-time simulation data, or if you, means you need to draw a diagram from data for your paper or anywhere you want to show it. Okay, so this is the best way. which one is the best way. I'll show you. Opening it's built already. Person, don't think about this warning option too much, you don't need. Okay, let's do that one. How to save this one, this operate file, operate file. This is the store. It's same as two file. It's same as two. Yeah, this two file. Some guys used to do what, if they need means suppose they are doing it normally any MATLAB model, if they need so many result, like here I need a 9 result, so what they do, 8 result here I need, they add workspace with every simple signal, output signal. Okay, so it's better to just add one two file, this two file. Once you are running any simple MATLAB, delete it, and two file is same, means operate file is same as two file. Operate file you will find it here in RTLab data logging. Here this is operate file. Okay, you can you have to add it, and you can change any number, it will not come. Okay, you can before that, means you have to add one mask. Okay, you just add one mask. With that mask you will connect this operate file, and this to output port you don't need to connect anything. Okay, and make sure one more thing, this one you have to check that variable name, you can give it as you want, variable name and file name also, mat file it will be. And this file size, just increase it, anything you can give it here, means just make it bigger and bigger. Okay, I think model is so from there you can after adding operate file you can nicely take your results. So let's check that over. Okay, let's assign everything is done already. So load the model. I'm showing you two things, means at a time. Okay, one thing is like how to save this data. It's better way, best way to save data with operate file. And one thing I am showing you, maybe you can face overrun problem, so that thing execute, let's execute that one. Yeah, executing is the result. So I don't need to so many result, I'll just pause it, reset it. Look here. Maybe you if you are watching this full from starting this video, then before it was like no overrun, total overrun is 0. So now it came 3027,950 overrun. Look here, so many overrun. So if there is overrun you will not get correct data, means yeah, you will not get correct data, you will, your data will be missing. Okay, so make sure your model is like fixed step size. This fixed step size minimum 10 microseconds. Okay, I will not run the model again. So you need to make sure that one for overrun. If you are still facing overrun, comment on the comment section. My PV system is successfully run 2 times, but second time is like overrun came because of that step size. Because of step size I increase the step size. Yeah, so I decrease the step size, I increase the step, whatever not, just check it. I make it 10 1 micro plus 10 microsecond, 10 microsecond to I make it 2 microsecond. so that's why overrun came. It should be minimum 10 microsecond if especially your model is not that much. No, if your model is especially too much complex, so you need to take care about that. Okay, that fixed tape size. So now I will show you how to say how to use draw from that operate file. You know, since I already shown you how to add this operate file, you need to add this operate file with the help of one mask block. Okay, here you don't need to add it with sc out, you need to add with just before the sc, where all the results output are coming for sc. Okay, here I added with sm block. So let's go to here. At yeah, in MATLAB. So have you remember that one, that file? Do you remember this file name and opvar and file variable name and opvar file name my file dot mat. Okay, you have to find, go to outcome, modern target, look here. Here this file my file dot mat. So double click on it. It already wrote, and this is my variable opvar. So here all the result will come. So here all the result came. Okay, so now you have to draw from here. I think you know it. If you don't know, comment. Shall I make one different video for that, or shall I tell you in this video? Okay, let's tell you in this video. Okay, already load, it's load. You just need to double click on it. You can save it anywhere. You can save it anywhere from here. Okay, you can copy paste anywhere, or you can directly save this variable, copy save as anything. You can do whatever you want. So let's you should remember that first signal, this number one row, sorry, no, yeah, number one row is time signal. After that, one by one your signal will come. Okay, this you have to remember, this number one signal is time signal. After that 2 3 4 5, it's like from number 2 your actual data. Suppose here in this model I have connected so many connection here. Number one is PV grid versus PV reference. Okay, so number one will be, I have PV grid number one. So my result will be like this. Number one is time, then PV grid. But look what I am showing here. I have in number one I have two signal. Okay, leave it, I just think it, I have one signal here, PV grid. Okay, number one PV grid. So what will be my result? This number one row is time, number two is PV grid, and like that it will come. Number two is P grid kilowatt. Okay, number three reactive power. So here number three is reactive power, but in this result, number 3 will not be reactive power, number 4 will be reactive power, because number 4 row will be reactive power, because number 1 is time data. So you just you need to, what you need to do, look what you need to, how can you draw. I have one separate video on that you can how to draw from workspace nicely. So I'll just show you little bit here. Let's, number one is t is equal to, we have that variable name opvar pvar. Okay, just look it, these are the simple things for MATLAB. number signal will come here T as T, and okay, number 2 signal will denote P. P is equal to OP VAR. So it will come like 2 comma yeah. So T and P is like loaded. T here right side here you can notice this T and P is loaded with number 1 and number 2 signal. If you want to plot it, you can simply plot PLOT T comma AR. P is capital P or what? P. Yeah, capital. So result came here. Look, and from here you can edit everything. I think you know all those things, how to edit all this. I'll not tell you those things in this video. If you need to if you need any video on this, that how to edit this graph here, I can make one different video. So for today this only. Yeah, so I just run this solar PV model with real-time simulator and I am getting result nicely. And one thing is overrun problem can come if your time step size is less than 10 microsecond. If it is less than 10 microsecond also, and if your model is like not too much complex, especially transfer function model, so it's, I think it will not create problem of overrun. And how to add this, how to take result from this real-time simulator. So best way to take result after adding override file with one mask, okay, and you can draw it simply here like this. From there it will this window will open. From here you can do edit and everything you can do here. Okay, so thank you guys. If this video likes you, means if this sorry, if this video help you, to please like this video and subscribe this channel, so I'll get some motivation for making more videos on RTLab and MATLAB. So thank you guys, that's it for today.